Here we come to the elevators at the Mehood Hotel in Shenzhen, China. These are Shanghai Mitsubishi elevators. Look at this beautiful cab. Wow, I love the hand-carved wood. You going up? Oh, you can only go up to the floor that you're registered on. I didn't know that. Right here we're at 37. Let's go back down one. These are Shanghai Mitsubishi elevators. These were installed in 2017. Look how, oh, we're going up. We're going a little higher. See, look how beautiful this cab is. This is a beautiful elevator I've seen in my life. Now, just I want to fairly tell you, I'm not going to be doing any hotel tours here. Yes, I'm staying in this hotel, but since time is running out, I have no time for it, and also I've been out almost like all day when I stay here. So yeah.
多好。这个站点在哪里？
不知道哎。
530米要走7分钟。
这是说城店，是说城镇。
11个站30分钟。
Here we are at 1. Alright, we're gonna end the video at 33. Look at that right there. Interesting. Look at these fixtures right here. This thing is pretty fast too. Travels about, I think, 800 feet per minute. Look at this. I love this beautiful cab right here. That ceiling is just beautiful. Look at that. Anyways, like I was saying, there's going to be no hotel or room tour of any sort, so please don't ask me to do one because I don't have the time for it. I apologize. Alright, here we are at this floor right here. So look at this. So when you press the button, watch. It lights up. See, it brightens up when you tap it. See, this is like a touch button. Look at that. See, you just barely even press it. See, this is interesting. Also, as you see right here, this button does not work because the elevator doesn't serve this floor or something. I mean, yes, it does stop here, but you can't get this elevator. You have to use you have to use these call stations where it lights up. See? You see a call station like that where it lights up? This works. See? Just like that. And it brightens up when you press it. Or actually, we barely tap it actually. So anyways, I'll let you get a quick view out that window right here. See, this is a view into Shenzhen, China. That right there is the KK 100 tower, but unfortunately you cannot get in there. But I did go to the Ping An Financial Tower. This right here is the second tallest building, but like I said, I unfortunately cannot get in it because it's turnstile off and you have to have a badge to get in there. So anyways, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.